is it where you are? I miss you more than anything. Back at home you feel so far. Waiting for the phone to ring. It's getting lonely living upside down. I don't even wanna be in this town. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. It's so jet lagged. What time is it where you are? 5 more days and I'll be home. I keep your picture in my car. I hate the thought of you alone. I've been keeping busy all the time, just to try to keep you off my mind. Trying to figure out the time zones making me crazy.
Hi, Ana. Dapat pinapanood mo to ngayong nasa Australia ka. Kung pinapanood mo to ngayong nasa Pilipinas ka, papatayin ka namin. Hi. Ano kayang nangyayari kung umalis ka? What do you think? Like this. Hey, kanyo! Mahirap mag-ayos ng buhok. But seriously. Wala mo. Sino mag-a-advise sa amin? Sino nakausap ko araw-araw? Sa telepono. Gosh!
Wala na magdidistract sa akin sa pag-aaral ko.
Eh. Oh my gosh.
Alam mo, Tish, napakawalang kwenta ng ginagawa natin.
Hindi, naiyak nga ako. Oo nga, Sam. Ano nangyayari pag wala na sa ano?
No.
It won't be the same. I mean, we all planned. Diba nagpaplano tayo dati nung grade 6? About prom, college life.
Making me crazy. You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. So jet lagged. I miss you so bad.
I miss you so bad.
Miss you so bad.
I miss you so bad.
Miss you so bad.
I wanna share your rising.
Miss you so bad. See the same sun rising.
Miss you so bad.
And turn the hour hand back to when you were holding me. When it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss when you say good morning, but it's midnight, going out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to your sunset and it's driving me mad. I miss you so bad and my heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged. Heart.
Okay, so hi Bogs. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na happy birthday. At dahil gurang ka na ngayon, katulad ni Tish, 15 years old ka na. Okay, joke. So, yun. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na miss ka na namin. Sana nandito ka para ipagkukwentuhan na ako sa'yo, di ba? Mahipag-chika na naman tayo at makikipagtelebabad ng like so many hours. At gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na hindi kita best friend. We're more like sisters. So, gusto ko lang malaman mo na miss ka na namin at ginagawa ni Sam yung video na to para sabihin sa'yo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Happy birthday, Bogs! I wish you all the best. Sana maging masaya ka na dyan. At sana bigyan ka pa ng mas maraming blessings ni God. So, happy birthday! We miss you!
Hi, Anna. First of all, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. Grabe, 15 ka na. 15 ka na, gurang ka na. 14 pa lang ako, ha? So, gusto ko lang batiin ka. And sana na-appreciate mo tong mini gift namin sa'yo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na miss ka na namin dito. Ang hirap pala pag wala ka. No, may makeup pa ako. Nag-perform kasi kami kanina eh. Biruin mo, 1 taon na palang nakalipas. Nung huli tayo nag-perform magkasama. Panalo tayo nun, di ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo halos lahat sa Viber eh. Ang hirap pala pag wala kang masabihan na ikaw lang naman kasi nakakaintindi sa akin ng bonggang-bongga eh. Pero sorry. Sorry kasi hindi kami palagi nandyan para sa'yo. Huwag mo isipin na mag-isa ka. Magic powers kaya kami. Hindi kami nandyan pumunta para sa'yo. Ang dami pa nating plano, hindi nagagawa. Kita mo to, sa loob ng kwarto ko. Sobrang daming memories at kwentuhan dito. Miss ka na ng kwarto ko. Sobrang miss ka na namin, Ana. Pero kaya naman namin maghintay. Hirap lang kasi pag may nakita akong bagay, ikaw maalala ko. Sorry ang drama ko, te. Pero yun lang. I love you, Ana. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Ha, yo tol, happy birthday. Ano ba? Tatanda mo pa to? Pati to? Pati to? Ah. Grabe, miss na kita. Happy birthday. So, ayun. Wish ko, sana hindi mo kami makalimutan. Tapos, sana bumalik ka na dito sa December. Usapan yun, di ba? December. Mas good luck sa inyo ni Kenneth. Ano pa ba? Ayun. Miss na kita. Lalo na kami. Wish ko na tayong 5. Magkakasama tayo. Di ba? Grabe. Iba pa rin pag kasama ka namin. Masaya kami, pero iba pa rin pag kasama ka namin. Nakakamiss lang. Kasi ikaw, iniwan mo kami, joke. Pero diba, babalik ka dito. Ayun, so, I love you, Bok. Bumalik ka na dito. Please, bumalik ka na dito. I love you so much. Peace out.